Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. Okay, so here we are asked to find the perimeter of the remaining shape. Let's begin the question. It says a quadrant of radius 7 cm is cut away from each corner of a rectangle, and the rectangle is 23 centimeter long and 20 centimeter wide. We are asked to find the perimeter of the remaining figure. Of course, this is an Olympiad exam of British level. Okay, so here, first of all, what is a quadrant? A quadrant is of this nature, a circle, and then that is divided into 4 segments. Okay, so that means each of the segments is of this form. All right, and that's what is being cut out from here, equal size. Okay, so it says that the length or the radius of the quadrant is 7. Okay, so that means if you join the 4 of them from each corner of this particular rectangle, it will form that quadrant. Okay, so let's try to now put in the shapes and the lengths where necessary. So it says the length of the rectangle is 23, but the radius of the quadrant is 7. So from here to here is 7, here is 7, here is... Alright, so now what will be the value of the remaining part? So since the length is 23, so this remaining part here from here to here is going to be 23 minus 14, and that is 9. And then y here is going to be 20 minus 14, which is 6. So here is also 9, and here is also 6. What then is going to be our perimeter? So very beautiful. Our perimeter is going to be the addition of these ones that we already know. Now, meanwhile, this is how the remaining shape is going to be. They said perimeter of the remaining shape. Okay, so let's first of all give a structure to how that remaining shape will be. Alright, so this is the nature of the remaining shape. Here will be 9, 6, 9, and 6. Okay, so now that means, remember, perimeter is the length round a shape. So our perimeter is going to be now, so, but that's not all. Then plus the length of this small arc, of course. So you need to calculate the length of this small arc. But according to the question, the radius of the arcs are all the same, so that means the length of the arcs will be all equal, and their angles too are the same. So you have, it is 90 degrees all through. So that means what we are going to do is to now add 4 times the length. Let's call that length of arc L. Okay, so now let's try to find the value of that L, where that L is going to be equal to the length of arc by formula is equal to theta over 360 times 2 pi r. Okay, meanwhile, here are the options for this particular question we are solving. Okay, so what's our theta? Our theta is the angle of the arc by at the center. Of course, this is the center now. If you join the other 3, it will form a complete quadrant. So, and that angle is 90 degrees. Okay, so we have 90 degrees all over 360 multiplied by 2 times our pi. Let's not, since the options contain pi, so we don't need to remove that pi there. And then the radius is 7. That's this 7 here. What do we have now? So it will be nice if we also bring in this 4 here, so that we just know that we are looking for 4L. Okay, so let's multiply everything by 4, and that will make our work much easier, because 90 will divide 360 to give us 4, and 4 will divide this 4. So it means that we just have 2 times 7, which is 14 pi. So by implication, our perimeter is equal to this plus this is 15, plus this and this is 30. So we have 30 plus 14 pi, all in cm, because our length is measured in cm. and that is the solution. Let's check the options. 30 plus 14 is option D, and that is the correct answer to this problem. Kindly subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.